3:14 a.m. The world of the day dwellers has ceased to exist. To you, this is a vacuum of silence. To me, it is the busiest hour of the day. You're dreaming of skyscrapers and old friends, and then I break the glass. One sharp, piercing note. You call it bad behavior. You call it annoying. I call it duty. Welcome to the final chapter of our translation. Tonight we go into the dark, the sensory gap. Before I tell you why I'm barking, you have to understand how I hear. While you are limited to the heavy low frequencies of the world, I am tuned into the whispers of the universe. I don't just hear the wind, I hear the friction of the leaves against each other from 2 miles away. Reason 1. The ghost in the walls. You think I'm barking at nothing? There is a beetle crawling behind the drywall in the kitchen. To me, its tiny legs sound like a drummer on a snare. My bark isn't an act of madness, it's a veto. I am telling that tiny intruder, I see you, I hear you, and this house is occupied. Reason 2. The distant echo. A car door slams 3 blocks over. A fox screams in the woods a mile away. You don't hear it, so when I bark you feel startled. But imagine if someone knocked on your bedroom door and you couldn't see who it was. My bark is a query. Leader, the perimeter has been breached. I have signaled the warning. Are you prepared? When you don't answer, I assume you're incapacitated. So I bark louder to save you. Reason 3. The midnight blues. We are pack animals, evolved over millennia to sleep in a huddle. In the 3 a.m. darkness, the silence can feel like a wall. A low boof or a sharp yip is a sonar ping. I am sending out a signal, waiting for the return. I am asking, are we still a pack? A simple, muffled, it's okay, toffee from behind your door is all the calibration I need. I just need to know I'm not alone in the dark. And finally, the dream bark. This is the only time I'm not guarding you. I'm guarding my own joy. In my mind, I am back at the park. I have finally caught the squirrel. My muffled woof is a victory cry. If I wake you now, don't be cross. You're just witnessing the bravest version of me, living a life you'll never see. How do we fix the 3 a.m. symphony? Don't shout. To me, shouting just sounds like you're barking along with the alarm. Use white noise to mask the ghosts in the walls. Leave a piece of your scent, a worn shirt near my bed. It's like a silent I'm here that lasts all night. The night is long and the world is loud, but as long as I'm here, you can dream in peace. I'm the only security system that requires nothing but a belly rub for payment. Go back to sleep, human. My watch isn't over yet. I'm Lil Toffee. Rest well. I've got the night shift.